Welcome to Battle Truth and my point of view. I don't know you, so I'm not a hater. I could only give you the fact that's written on these papers. And since we have no dealing, therefore the court can care less about your feelings. I'm the Honorable Malachi Markillian, your presiding judge, chairman, and spokesperson for the One United Front. You are my witnesses and jury. You may be seated. Court is now in session. Let's talk about it. Okay, y'all. So it appears that Rare Breed Entertainment and Young Ill went their separate ways, man. We see the new trailer that they put out a couple days ago, a Serius Jones versus Ill Will. Serius Jones has become the replacement for the Young Ill debut return to battle rap because of the fallout that Rare Breed Entertainment had with Averb. I really believe, again, ARP overreacted. He let his emotions get the best of him, and he, for the most part, hurt his own card in credibility, in character, because a lot of things did a lot of things that was messed up. And even with the release of the trailer he did again, he took another shot at Verb. Just I don't know, man. Something wrong with that brother, man. That's just crazy, man. But we see that Serius Jones have become the replacement for Young Ill. I understand that. Because first of all, like I said in my one blog, if I'm ARP or Young Ill, that's not good for neither one of us at all. Ill felt some type of way of how ARP handled the situation with Verb, and he let it be known that St. Louis stick together. And he tweeted Verb and said, "You told me that I could trust these guys, that they do good business, but the way he handling himself as a league owner is very unprofessional." And Young Ill really spoke out about that. And he went to the point where he said he not even answering ARP calls. And as a league owner, when ARP was calling and Young Ill allegedly wasn't answering, it's not good for his card. I mean, it ain't even worth the risk. And then after the back and forth between ARP and Verb, threatening when they see each other, they fighting in his own, and jaws gonna be broken and things like that. And I don't take threats lightly. That was not good for you, Young Ill, to show up there like that in that environment, knowing you from St. Louis and that you're a guy who you stand behind and you ride with is into it with the league owner, and you going up in their building where this man people at and his personnel at. That's not good, wise at all. Then also for ARP, it's not good and wise for him also to book this battle when you seeing that you into it with Verb, his guy. You see Young Ill feel some type of way. You calling and he not answering your call. It's not even worth the risk. So for both parties, I think that was the best thing to do for both parties. Y'all both go y'all own separate ways. And because y'all go y'all own separate ways, you know what I'm saying? You just move on, find a replacement while you have the time. And I actually like it. Ill Will versus Serius Jones. I like it. Let me tell you why I like this battle. If Ill Will come with it in this battle, Serius Jones dead. I got Ill Will 3-zip over Serius Jones, and I need somebody serious like Ill Will to finally put Serius Jones to rest. No disrespect to you, Serius Jones, but you say nobody take you serious. And you say, look, no, I don't say you say. A lot of people say people don't take you serious, and this why you win a lot of battles, because you don't push or motivate people pen. They don't take you serious. I believe Ill Will is different. I believe Ill Will is that battle rapper who will take you serious, who do take you serious, and ain't gonna play no games with you and give you the fight for the battle rap community that think people overlook you, the fight that they want to see. A battle rapper actually come with it, who mean what they say, and actually gonna push his pen to go up against you. I think Ill Will is that person, that credible, who I know do and take care of business like that. Ill Will is just the guy to do that type of stuff. Ill Will been on fire. Ill Will, man, been on fire since he came back. He done put up numbers on a lot of battle rappers, man. He done had classic moments in battle rap, man. Ill Will been putting his foot down. Last time we saw him, just had a classic with Calico. Fire, crazy. Before that, he bodied T-Top. Then I had him beating Old Red. Then he had another fire battle against Geechee Gotti. Killed Geechee Gotti. Was that Geechee Gotti? Or what that Shotgun Suge? That was Shotgun Suge. I had him beating Mav Hopper also. Ill Will been doing his thing. And I believe he ain't finna play. And that's just the fight you want to have. That's just the fight you want to have, that the battle rap community want to see. Shouts out to Rare Breed Entertainment, though, for making the right call. Protecting the card. And getting somebody else on the job. I'm looking forward for this to be a good battle. And I'm expecting for Serius Jones to lose all 3 rounds. I got Ill Will all 3 rounds barking on Serius Jones. I think Serius Jones gonna come, do some things. Some things might be corny, but I think Ill Will gonna just snatch the soul out of him. I'm just keeping it real. I think he just gonna be barking on him crazy. And that laid back flow Serius Jones do with them sarcastic jokes, I don't think it's gonna be enough. Now, if Serius Jones pull this battle out, more power to him. I'm gonna show him nothing but love. Give him the proper credit deserving him. But I'm just going by what's been going on. If I'm going by what's been going on, I got Ill Will, man, beating Serius Jones 3-0. That being said, it's your boy Battle Truth. It ain't my judgment that's in question. It's yours. Subscribe to Battle Truth.